So welcome again. My name is Magnus Melander. I think most of you know me by now. I'm a co-founder of Things together with Linda Krondahl. We started 8 years ago, and we are all about working with deep tech in physical industries like industry, infrastructure, utilities, mobility, and nowadays also space. We have about 100 members. We are self-financed. 50% of those are corporates and 50 are tech companies, fairly mature or very mature tech companies. So we don't really work with traditional startups. Those companies the members are from Japan and Australia all the way to US. So we are completely international, or actually almost global in what we do. We deliver high quality cross-border services to our members, which we charge for. And we have about 25 partners around the world who we work with to enable us to do those services. I speak a couple of minutes about this because we always need a little bit of time to get all the people signing in. So bear with me. IoT is my favorite topic, as most of you know. So I spent 30 years now, I think, on IoT. And I actually made my first investment in IoT in 2001, which was terrible. We lost everything. It was a great company, and we were probably 10 years too early. But finally, after a lot of years, and a lot of people have claimed that it will never really happen, I think now the big wave of IT is actually taking place. If you refer to the hype curve, I think we have now finally reached the slope of enlightenment. On our way to the plateau of productivity. This means that this is really becoming business, large business, big business, fast-moving business. And it's enabled, from my point of view, mainly because we have now a completely upgraded portfolio of technologies. Every single technology has its latest, a good shape and form. We have very capable platforms taking care of the really difficult issues when it comes to security, scalability, OTA, FOTA, and those kind of things. And we have strong edge capabilities, which is allowing us to do very clever applications and implementations. And just to mention something, you know, Zigbee Alliance, the good old alliance and the good old technology morphed into Connectivity Standards Alliance, who launched Matter recently. And behind that, you'll see Kia, Apple, and all the big ones. So I believe that now is the time to build the smart home applications for real, because now we have a standard that most people are behind. It's very scalable and so forth. Anyway, I think we're going to go to today's program now. I'm so happy to have a couple of really good members of Things with me. And the way it works, I will moderate this as good as I can. Each speaker has about 8 minutes to present and a couple of minutes to take questions if we have any. If you have questions, please raise them write them in the chat, and I'll try to move them forward. I will introduce each speaker in the right time and order. We will absolutely make sure to stick in time. That's part of the eBazaar concept. 1.5 hour, absolutely sharp maximum, preferably earlier we stop. And afterwards, you will have a post-event email sent to you with all the contact details to all the speakers if you want to get contact with them. We also record all the presentations in the whole program, and we publish that on our YouTube channel, which is now become a really rich library of great presentations if people are interested. So, but that means for speakers, you have to remember what you say and make sure you know what happens in eBazaar don't stay in eBazaar. So you have to be careful to what you share. Without any further ado, then I think we should jump into the presentations.